This is the 2021 BMW 228i Grand Coupe, and I'm showing you how to pair your the BMW keys to your phone, so you can use your phone as your car keys. So this one, I'm using my Samsung Flip 6 as my phone key, as my car key. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Flip 6. Using it and pairing it as my phone, as my car key for the 2021 BMW 228i. So you will need to grab both of your car keys in order for this to happen. And at the very beginning, you will have to download the My BMW app, which I already did. So you have to have the app, and then you can start pairing once you click on the prompts on the My BMW app. So it's gonna be fast. I'm just showing you the whole process of it so you know it's not very long. So you'd have to have both keys in order for this to happen. Of course, you can still use both keys. It's just for you, easy for you to have your phone set up. So you can use your iPhone too, but at this time I'm setting up my Samsung Galaxy, so it's an Android phone. So it says here, use your phone as your car key, and then you'll follow the prompts. It's gonna go to your Samsung wallet. Just a couple of read through information, and you have to click continue, and then you just have to allow. You click allow, and then it's gonna start recognizing your car key. So add key to Samsung wallet. So next. So again, this is pairing my car keys for the BMW 228i to my Android phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy. I have the Flip 6. Process is fast, so I'm actually showing you the whole time frame. I didn't have to forward it because it was fast. So you just hit next. So if you notice, again, you have your two car keys right there. It has to be beside your phone. In this case, I have my Android phone, the Flip 6. And then it's asking you to go to, so to make it happen, you have to put it on the phone tray, because that's where it needs to pair your phone with the car itself. So right now it's pairing. That's how fast the process is. I didn't have to fast forward this video, and that's it. It paired my phone to the car keys, and now you can use it, or I can use it as my car key. So right now I'm just showing you the pairing. I will be making another video for when I'm using the car keys. But again, that's it. It will show that final, and then you will open the app, and then now it's gonna be time to use the car key, the phone as the keys, and we'll do that on the next video. And then there's a tutorial there, and then on your car screen, it's gonna show that as well.